What up? My package came in. Got some stuff for my nails. Damn, is that hot outside? My whole box is hot, bruh. Alright, I got my top coat for my nails. What's this? Oh, my glue for my rhinestones. Yay! Hey, Punky. Okay. My other top coat for my nails, for 2 of those. Oh my god, it's hot. My whole package is hot. I got my rhinestones to put for my nails. Stuff for my nails. I got some more rhinestones. Oh no, they dropped one. More rhinestones for my nails. My son had an appointment today with his psychiatrist. And my new nail brush, hopefully this shit works. I'm hoping it does. Alright, gotta get started in here. So I got all this stuff on Amazon. So like I said, I got the rhinestones. Another thing of rhinestones. I got this big one right here. The rhinestones. I got my brush. I got the glue. And my top coat. All from Amazon. For my nails. For the finishing touch. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go get started.